Atherosclerosis is a narrowing of the arteries caused by a buildup of plaque, which can result in a shortage of blood and oxygen in various tissues of your body. These plaques are mainly made up of cholesterol and other fatty substances. This is MediLab Health, today bringing you 10 natural strategies to clear those pesky fats from your arteries and keep your heart pumping strong. Stay tuned till the end. Incorporating more vibrant fruits and veggies into your diet is a fantastic way to combat artery blockages. These natural wonders are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. So ditch those processed foods and go green for your arteries' sake. A sedentary lifestyle is one of the main culprits behind artery blockages. But fear not, because even moderate physical activity can work wonders for your arteries. Whether it's a brisk walk, cycling, or dancing, just get moving and watch your heart rate improve, blood flow increase, and fats melt away. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad for you. Introduce healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil into your diet. They contain HDL cholesterol, which can help to take bad cholesterol from the arteries before it turns into plaque. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an unavoidable part of our lives. Unfortunately, chronic stress is a significant risk factor for artery blockages. But worry not, my friends. Incorporating stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can amazingly improve your cardiovascular health. It's time to get back to our roots. Spending time outdoors, soaking up the sun, and connecting with Mother Nature is proven to enhance heart health. Studies have shown that being surrounded by greenery can lower blood pressure, reduce stress levels, and improve overall cardiovascular function. Did you know that the foods we use to season our dishes can bring immense benefits to our arteries too? Adding natural artery-clearing wonders like cinnamon, turmeric, and ginger to your meals not only amplifies flavor, but also helps reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and prevent plaque buildup. It's a win-win situation for your taste buds and your arteries. A good night's sleep is not just about feeling refreshed, it also plays a critical role in maintaining cardiovascular health. Poor sleep quality is associated with elevated blood pressure, increased inflammation, and higher cholesterol levels. By establishing a regular sleep routine and creating a peaceful sleep environment, you can give your arteries the rest they need to thrive. Give yourself a break and indulge in self-care practices like massages and spa treatments. These relaxing activities can reduce stress levels, lower blood pressure, and improve blood circulation throughout your body. Remember, a happier body equals happier arteries. They say laughter is contagious, and that's a good thing. Laughter reduces stress hormones, enhances blood flow, and stimulates the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones. So, surround yourself with positive people, watch comedies, and let the laughter flow freely. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption significantly impact artery health. Quit smoking and limit alcohol intake to give your arteries a fighting chance to clear up and improve your overall cardiovascular health. Your body will thank you in numerous ways. Let's embrace these strategies together, transforming our lives one healthy artery at a time. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fantastic health tips. Let's meet in another video.